Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Quick Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can log in into your account on Credit Karma tax. So let's get started. First of all, open your web browser and in the search bar, type in creditkarma.com. It will take you to the official website of Credit Karma, and over here in this page you can see the login button. Click on the login button since you already have an account. It will take you to this login portal. Over here enter the email address of your account within this email section and enter the password of your account like this. You can click here on the show button to confirm your password. And once you do that, click on the login button. You will be logged into your Credit Karma tax account. And if you want to create a new account on Credit Karma, you can click here on create an account over here. So that's all for this video. This is how you can log in into your account on Credit Karma. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. And also hit the bell icon for latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.